Let's begin Skill 25, Multiplying Fractions and Mixed Numbers. Recall that multiplying fractions requires us to multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. So let's go ahead and highlight our rule again. And for those of you who cross-simplify before multiplying, you can still do that, cross-simplify, then multiply. But when we multiply mixed numbers, we have to add a step. To multiply mixed numbers, first we need to rename each mixed number as a fraction and multiply the fractions. So when we say rename each mixed number as a fraction, we're talking about converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. And remember that an improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 says 2/3 times 1/4. Well, that is very much like the problems we just did in Skill 24. So we're going to skip through those. You'll notice that 1, 2, 3, and 4 are really a review of Skill 24. Number 5 we will go ahead and do because it involves multiplying a fraction by a whole number. I'm not really sure why some of these things are in this lesson, but we'll go through them anyway. And remember that when you multiply a fraction by a whole number, and we've been working on this as we solve equations with rational coefficients, we're going to take our whole number and put it over 1. If you cross simplify, that's fine. If not, 3 times 4 is 12, 8 times 1 is 8, and now it becomes a little bit more clear to me why we would do this particular problem, because we now have an improper fraction which we're going to convert to a mixed number. To do that, remember that you can do the work. Take the 12, divide it by 8. 8 goes into 12 one time. 12 minus 8 is 4. So we have 1 and 4/8. And 4 and 8 both have a 4 in common, so we know that we can simplify that to 1 and 1/2. Let's go ahead and move down to number 9. Number 9 is a mixed number multiplied by a whole number. The first thing we're going to do is convert our mixed number to an improper fraction. So 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Use our same denominator, and we're going to multiply that by 6 over 1. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 1 is 2. And 18 divided by 2 is going to simplify to 9. Let's look at number 11. This time we're multiplying two mixed numbers. 3 1/3 times 2 1/2. Let's convert them to improper fractions. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So 10 over 3 times 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5 over 2. Multiply straight across. 10 times 5 is 50, over 3 times 2 is 6. And this time they will simplify 50 over 6 because they both are divisible by 2. If we divide them by 2, we get 25 over 3, but we still need to convert that back to a mixed number. So if you need to show your work, you may. 25 divided by 3, 3 goes into 25 8 times. 25 divided, or minus 24 is 1. So my answer is 3 1/8. So if you remember, this is going to be your whole number, this is going to be your numerator, and this is going to be your denominator. Now that we have reviewed multiplying fractions and mixed numbers, let's turn it over and take a look at page 50, problems 13 through 33, and these are the problems that I would like for you to work on this section. I would like for you to work number 13, number 14, 15, and I would also like for you to work 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, And I think that will be good. So that's 9 problems, 13, 14, 15, and 28 through 33. Once you are finished with those, you may check your answers either in my classroom or in your RTI classroom, and then you may move on to Skill 26.